Good morning, Fashion Laboratory, and welcome to Ms. Besl's 2019 edition of the Non-Traditional Materials Challenge. You've already formed alliances, and each team has until 9:55 on Wednesday to create a garment out of the stuff in those garbage bags. Are you ready for this? So we are responding to the art movement Trashion, and Trashion is fashion that is created out of items that are used, that are thrown out, that are found, that are repurposed. And it's a way to draw attention to global waste, especially that's created by the disposable fast fashion industry. So fast fashion, for example, would be clothes that don't hold up. They're things that aren't really well made, and they end up actually in landfills. A ridiculous amount of clothing doesn't even get worn. So the fashion industry is actually the second biggest polluter in the world after oil. And when you think about it, what is polyester? Polyester is oil and plastic. So this idea of reusing materials, it's not really a new idea. Indigenous peoples have been doing this since the beginning of time. But that term, Trashion, was first coined in 2004. Even in the 90s, people were beginning to experiment with these fashion shows, these underground shows at clubs where people were making wearable art. They were making these sculptures out of refuse to draw attention to environmental concerns. Okay, so here are the rules. 80% of your garment must be materials chosen from your bag, but you can also shop the room. You can use any of the supplies in this class. We've got hot glue guns for all of you. So your project must be a garment. It cannot be an accessory. Good luck.
Okay, so Judge Avi and I were both really impressed with what you guys did. I mean, these materials are not easy to work with, and you did outstanding things with them. It was a really hard decision to make, but what it came down to for us was use of challenging materials, ability to have the garment be worn by a number of people, and creativity. So we decided that the design that we thought really stood out was the skirt. Okay.